The new Sigma 35mm F1.4 DG II art represents the culmination of Sigma's latest technological achievements, combining a remarkably compact lens body with outstanding optical performance and fast, precise autofocus. It marks the beginning of Sigma's new 35mm art lineup. The lens boasts unprecedented optical power, even compared to its predecessors. The superb correction of axial chromatic aberrations, in particular, ensures absolute clarity across the entire image. And with Sigma's newly developed Advanced Amorphous Coating, ghosting and flaring are suppressed under any lighting condition. Alongside its optical advances, the lens is also smaller and lighter, thanks to the floating focus design. Its Dual HLA high-response Linear Actuator system ensures fast, precise, and quiet autofocus, making the lens ideal for dynamic still and video work that demands speed and mobility. Updated, improved, and refined using the latest engineering innovations, the new Sigma 35mm f1.4 DG II art delivers groundbreaking optical performance, faster autofocus, and a compact, portable design. A standard lens, perfected.